Welcome to Spill Prevention and Control. Chemicals are an integral part of today's society. We use them in such daily activities as the detergent we use to clean with, oil we put in our cars, and soap we bathe with. When used properly, the benefits are enormous, but if used improperly, chemicals can cause serious and even deadly harm.
The purpose of this course is to provide you with the basic procedures for preventing, recognizing, and responding to accidental releases or spills of hazardous materials pursuant to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration's OSHA 29 CFR 1910.120. You can make a difference by choosing to make your workplace safe. Consider this case. An automotive plant worker had to move a 12-volt sealed car battery from his workbench to the floor. He used a battery carrier, which secured both ends of the battery. Using the carrier, he slid the battery to the edge of his workbench. He started to move the battery to the floor and thought it would clear the workbench. The end of the battery caught on the workbench, disconnecting the battery carrier. Go to the next screen to see the effects of the worker's actions.
As a result, the battery fell to the concrete floor, cracked the casing, and splashed acid towards his face. Although he turned his face to avoid the splash, acid entered his eyes under his safety glasses. Go to the next screen to learn about how the worker was affected.
Remembering there were no emergency eye wash facilities or showers in the immediate vicinity, he grabbed the water hose and began flushing his eyes with water. Co-workers responded to his cries for help, called for an ambulance, and assisted him in flushing his eyes with the hose. Luckily, he did not incur any permanent damage to his eyes.
Following the accident, workers neutralized, cleaned, and decontaminated the acid spill. As a result of the accident, management initiated immediate action to install additional emergency eye wash facilities within 10 feet of all corrosive materials, liquids, and instituted a mechanical lifting mechanism to reduce the manual handling of equipment from one working level to another.
After successfully completing this course, you will be able to define hazardous materials, recognize where spills are likely to occur, specify work practices that can prevent spills from occurring, define the goals of spill control, identify actions to take when responding to a spill of hazardous materials or waste, define the terms containment and confinement, identify response procedures for personnel who discover a spill.